Hello friends, in this video we will try to understand another cohesive devices which is known as referencing words, and it is also mentioned in the official band scripture. So let's try to understand, at first try to understand what exactly is the referencing word, right? So referencing words are used when we refer back to previous subject, object, or idea to avoid the repetition of the same expression. For example, if we say students like physics a lot in their first year, students stopped liking it in the second year, students finally opted for biology in the last. So see, what was the difference here? Every time you're using students, so that's an awkward language, number one. And secondly, it gives a very narrow idea about students. They don't have the enough substitute for that. So let's try to understand this, right? So see example, teachers got the maximum salary of $5,000 in 2010. Salary then reduced to $4,500 in 2012. Salary again fell to $4,000, the lowest in 2014, and it and salary again fell. So you can see salary. So perhaps you need to change it, right? So you might not find every time the alternative or synonym to change that. So then the idea of referencing words come. So you can see the better version here. Teachers got the maximum salary of $5,000 in 2008, which then reduced to $4,500 in 2012. It again fell to $4,000, the lowest in 2018, and that again fell. So words like this, it, they, he, she, them, which, perhaps they can be used as a reference word. Now let's have a look at what band scripture says. Repetitive because of lack of referencing and substitution. If you are doing this, you are getting only band 5. On the other hand, if you're using referencing word clearly and appropriately, you can get band 6. Let me tell you that referencing word is not the sole criteria for getting the marks in coherence and cohesion. There are others that we have already discussed in the beginning when we were discussing that how to respond to the evaluation criteria of that. So let's see some more examples to understand it better, right? This is what we can use in place of referencing expressions. Relative pronouns. You must know this, like who, that, which, when, where. These all are used to connect or the connect within the sentence or between the sentence. You can see the example. The number of students who opted physics, I don't need to say students, in class 10 changed it after the result, which affected the percentage of students who opted the science subject finally, right? That way we can also use the words like former and latter instead of saying the incident directly. Example, Delhi and Kanpur register the maximum pollutant at 70% in 2016, whereas the former, I don't need to say again Delhi or Kanpur, the former skyrocketed to 95% in 2018. The latter remained almost the same. We can use respectively as well. That's a very useful language. I suggest to you to use them wherever you can use it. In other cities, Mumbai and Chennai, the pollutant level was comparatively low at 30% and 40% respectively. So you don't need to say that in Mumbai it was 30% and in Chennai it was 40%, because the moment you use respectively with the data and the word maintained, the data, the source of data mentioned in the beginning, even if you have Mumbai, Chennai, Delhi, or from more cities, You can just write the information or figure in the same sequence, and you can end it with respectively. So that's all about the referencing words. I hope you have understood how to use them, but please use them. They're a very important part for getting band skill in coherence and cohesion. So that's all from this video. Thank you very much again for watching the video. See you very soon in my next video.